Hope you're doing well. So here is a tutorial on how to earn using this platform known as Luxtron. This platform is basically for playing games, doing some activities, and as more as you do them, the more you earn the TRX coin. Remember, the currency used here is cryptocurrency, and the currency by its name is TRX, which is from the Tron network. So before we start this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video and share, and make sure you click the notification bell so that you may be getting the notifications the moment I upload any content online. So let's get into it. First, as you can see, this is the dashboard. This dashboard is where you can come daily and claim your faucet. As you can see, you just click and claim your faucet, as simple as that. And in this platform we have different kind of task, or as you can see in this drop down list, these are the various activities which are in this platform. For example, as you can see, the main, I'll just touch on the main activities. First, we have the games, we have the deposit, withdraw, and the surveys and the affiliates, gifts. All those are just activities, but let's go to the main. So the main activities in this platform is when you play games. For example, as you can see, I've reached level 2. Level 2 is for the iron, and the moment you finish the iron, as you can see on the screen, the moment you reach 100%, you just level up to bronze. This is how these games are played. You just click any of those games. I'll use this mines. Then this mines is where you can, for example, as you can see, I'm just the number of mines. The more the mines, the higher the number of multiplier, but the less the number. For example, I'll use that one for 3. Then I will click. That's a successful mine. Then you play. The moment you play, it will, the number of TRX that you have earned, it will automatically be deposited, or you'll see it being updated in your wallet at the top of the screen. It's just simple as that. You engage in these games and you earn. Then we have the second one is the survey. As you can see, these are the surveys, or the websites which they offer surveys. After you finish doing the survey, you get your coin back. Remember, the more you do the survey, the more the number of withdrawals will be high, because most of these withdrawals, they come from the games and the surveys. We just take the survey. It can be from a minute to 15 minutes plus, it determines. But this is the second way you can earn using this platform. And the most important one is the affiliates. When we come to this part of being an affiliate, this is where you just promote this app, or you use your link to share online. When people claim and play, you just earn a particular commission from each and every person who makes a sign up. For example, as you can see, I have 5 users, sorry. The more they play, the more I earn. So those commissions, they will be totally be displayed, or they will be automatically be deposited to my wallet. Is that simple? So the moment you reach the threshold, let's go to the withdrawal. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal is 5 TRX. That's $1. And the moment you surpass that or you reach, you can just withdraw it to your crypto exchange platform like the Binance, BitGet, and so on and so forth. So that's how this app works, and the more you refer to people, the more your chances of earning more and more. And remember, you will be earning a certain percentage from every person who get 50% commission rewards, meaning everybody who joins using your link, you will be getting 50% of what that person earns. So it's as simple as that. So thank you for having or taking time to go through this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, share it to most people that you can share, and make sure you click the notification bell so that anytime I upload this kind of content, you get the notification as fast as possible. So thank you for watching the tutorial and have a good day.